stand in my way. I dare you.
Okay, so good day everyone, and Sir Christopher. This is my research about the difference between the win rate of the agent breach in Valorant from the previous patch or update and the present patch. Now, I won't be explaining the whole thing about my introduction. I'll just since you sir have already known the mechanics of the game, I will just say the reason behind why I chose this kind of research. Since I'm fond of playing the game Valorant, um, and then I thought that there might be some statistics between inside the game. So I have decided that I would choose this kind of research in which I will be comparing the win rate of Breach from the last patch, since Breach has the lowest win rate in globally, which is 35%, and that's why I chose him to be the subject of this research. So my goal is that I will be comparing the win rate of Breach from the last patch and in the present patch. Uh, in gathering the data, uh, I decided to play 25 games and at least get 10 losses and 10 wins. I will be using the proportion analysis on this kind of research. The data that I gathered is that I obtained 13 wins and 12 losses from the 25 games I played. Now, in calculating those information in this experiment, I will use as what I have said a while ago, the test proportion analysis, in which the number of trials are 25 and the number of events is 13. The confidence level is 95%, in which on the other hand the alpha is 0.05, and the hypothesized proportion is 0.35. In this test, the researcher, which is I, will be identifying the win rate of the agent breach in the present patch if it's greater than the previous patch of Valorant. So my alternative hypothesis is that the mu is greater than 0.35, and my null hypothesis is less than or equal to 0.35. Now, in order to make things fast, I used the Minitab software in order to calculate the information and data gathered. In this, and after putting the information that I've gathered, I obtained a p-value of 0.06, in which the p-value is greater than the alpha. Therefore, accept the alternative hypothesis and reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so in conclusion, uh, I concluded that the win rate of Agent Breach has significant difference from the previous patch, which improved or is greater than the last patch. Now, talking about the regression analysis of the gathered data, I gathered uh, the number of rounds played in every game and the number of kills, and then I my goal is to compare if there is a what is the relationship between the number of rounds played in every game and the kills obtained in every game. So in this graph, it looks like that the higher the rounds you play, or the higher the rounds uh, you you achieve in a game, there's a big chance, or it's kind of obvious that you will have more kills. So as we can see in this regression analysis graph, we can see the scatter plot in which the given the kills have scattered a lot, the points. So as we could see, it's going up, thus the relation is positive. So that's so in this part of the video, I will be explaining the further details of my regression analysis. So how did I calculate my uh, or how did I obtain my scatter plot regression line with regression line is that my my data, which the x values, the number of runs is in here, and the number of kills, the y values is in here. So uh, I use this data in order to get the the equation of my line, and then I also used this in order to calculate the predicted value. So to get the predicted value, just add the b0 and the b1, and then multiply b1 by the x value in here. So that's how I get it, and then just do the Excel stuffs. And after that, my r squared is this value, and then after I calculated the standard error of estimate using the formula, the summation of all y hat minus y bar squared over the number of trials minus 2. And then here are the additional information or the data analysis of the gathered data in the Excel. It's just you just put the x and y values, and then this shows up. So I have already explained the scatter plot. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.